She must have a bit of a rest. She has a photo of Lucy on the dashboard, thinking of the woman she loves best. And on the road she gets that feeling, being in that truck she's all alone. At night she always takes some time out to chat and speak to Lucy on the phone. When she's at home she feels very happy to cuddle up and kiss her future wife. 'Cause she's a lesbian truck driving woman with a partner for the rest of her life. 'Cause she's a lesbian truck driving woman, driving up and down the open road, changing those gears on the big machine, carrying a full and heavy load. She earns a lot of money in her job. It's something she thoroughly enjoys, 'cause she's a lesbian truck driving woman. She feels like she's one of the boys. She feels like she's one of the boys. She feels like she's one of the boys.